Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you if you have subscribed since we last uploaded. I just crossed the first milestone of 100 subscribers, which is fantastic. Thank you so much for the support. In this video is how we basically made this greenhouse for basically nothing. So we'll start right at the beginning, right at ground level, and work our way up. I hope you enjoy. Moving on with the greenhouse project, all the reclaimed concrete blocks are super dry, cement's gone off really well, so it's starting to cover them. So you can see here we're starting to whack on some render, and as soon as they're rendered, surprise surprise, you cannot tell that they are old scabby reclaimed blocks. So I'm going to work my way around outside, inside, got some timber on the way to start whacking up a new frame, and then we'll start stealing the glass from the old greenhouse to add to our new one. So we are on our way to our friend's house because one of my other friends has been skip diving for us and thinks he's found us the roof of someone's conservatory that's going to be our greenhouse roof.
And I'm going to go inside.
And we're not completely sure whether he's actually got the right stuff because it's not clear, he said. So we both agreed that if it's not any good, we're just going to leave it outside of our other friend's house and let it be his problem. So we will see what we find when we get there. I told Dave if they were no good, they're just leaving them here anyway.
No, you're not.
So we got it home. Let's see what we can do with it. We've got the roof all the way along the top, which fitted perfectly. I couldn't believe how precisely that fitted, as it was just found from the skip and not made to measure. We've got a little bit of woodwork to do. I'm going to start on the framing of the windows today, and my next tactic is to do the last little bits of woodwork. I'm going to do everything I possibly can before I fit the glass, so I can do all the glossing and all the painting, get everything up together as best I can, because painting around the windows is really tricky. So just smashed out all that chopping. Every frame has now got a full set of internal quadrant beading to go in, supporting the project, or that particular job, which I really like when you've actually mastered every cut, because every cut's basically, there's only two cuts you're doing, two corners around the frame. But to start with, the angles and the bevels on the quadrant were quite confusing, but now totally nailed it. So I could just smash that out in a quarter of the time it was, and much neater. That's what I was saying earlier about I shouldn't have started at the front, because that was when I was learning and I've made a messy job on it. I should have started at the back and worked forward, but never mind, whatever, who cares. So now back to the greenhouse, got to get some glass, get it clean, and then we can start whacking it in. We are chasing down on finishing this project, which is amazing because it's taken flipping ages. So without any undue haste, no, totally the wrong phrase. So without any delay, I'm not going to say anything. Oh look, my pliers are out in the rain. Thanks children. That's ruined. You hold it and I'll help you. Tip, lift. Well done. So there we go, that end of the video, that's how we put it all together. Thanks for watching to the end. I'm really pleased with how the whole thing's come together. I'm glad that we made it with concrete blocks at the bottom, because it means that when the kids are on the patio, they're not about to career into a completely glass wall head first on their scooters. The roof has worked quite well, but the jury is still out as to whether the conservatory roof is actually a bit too dark and creates a bit too much shade. It does get warm, but it could be lighter in here, so we will see. But we did get it for free and it was exactly the right size, so we will see if that stands the test of time or not. But thank you for watching the end of the video. Thank you if you've subscribed already. Please join the channel if you like making things out of old stuff. I've got loads more ideas of things that we're going to upcycle and make some creative and brilliant stuff around, and I will see you next time.